Hi everyone, I am Irfan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel The Forex Nexus. In this video we will explain about the types of extreme, because the mostly students are asking about the extremes, that how many types it have. So first of all, take a paper and pen and write down there are 4 types of extreme. Number first is extreme A, extreme B, magic extreme and advanced extreme. So first we will look for the extreme A. Remember what is extreme. Extreme happens when the market MA5 get out of the lower band or upper band called extreme. Extreme is the first reversal sign. Okay, extreme is the first reversal sign, but it's not a signal. Extreme is not a signal, it's just a reversal sign that the market can reverse from that area. Got it? So when the MA5 get outside of the lower band is called extreme A. It's extreme A. Okay, this is also extreme A. This is also extreme A, and this one is also extreme A. It's extreme A. Now this is also extreme A, because you can see the MA5 high get outside of the upper band called extreme A, but it's sell extreme, and this one and this one is extreme B. This extreme A, extreme A sell, and this one is buy, this one is also buy. Remember, extreme is not a reverse signal, it's just a first sign, because after that market will hit the TP wajib, TP mandatory. You must close, if you took a trade on extreme, you must need to close your trade on MA510 high. If you take a trade here, then you must close your trade here on MA510 low. Now what is extreme B? Extreme B is when the market just get rejection from the lower or upper band called extreme buy and extreme sell, but the type will be extreme B. So let me show you here. This one is extreme B and this one is also extreme B. Extreme B sell, extreme B buy. If you are new and first time watching our channel, please must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get further notification, for further lessons. So this one is extreme B sell, buy extreme B, buy extreme B. Let me repeat again. When the MA510, when the MA5 close, just get rejection, when the candle get rejection from the lower band and the MA5 close inside the lower band or upper band is called extreme B. Our simple word, it's a no momentum area. Okay, it's a no momentum area. Now what is magic extreme? Magic extreme, and this one is also magic extreme. When the MA5 10 both the moving averages get outside of the lower band, it is called magic extreme, and magic extreme is the powerful type of extreme. When it happens, the market must get reversal from that point. This is a powerful extreme. Magic extreme buy. This one is also buy magic extreme. So when the MA5 10 both the moving averages get outside of the lower band, it is called extreme, magic extreme. Okay, so this is a magic extreme. All right, now let me repeat again the types of extreme here. So let's mark it. This is extreme, this one is also extreme, this is also extreme, this is also extreme, extreme, extreme. Here we got the extreme. This one is also extreme point, and this one is also extreme point. This is also extreme point. Now let me write down. This one is magic extreme by magic extreme by this one is extreme sell, extreme buy type A. Okay, because the MA5 get outside of the lower band. This one is also buy extreme A. Extreme A sell. This is got rejection from the upper band only. Extreme buy. We'll explain later. This one is extreme, and this one is also extreme. Now let me write extreme A buy, extreme A sell, extreme B sell, extreme sell, extreme A sell. Extreme A sell, extreme A sell. This one is extreme advanced extreme. Now what is advanced extreme? When the market get rejection from EMA 50 is called advanced extreme. Okay, there are 4 types: extreme A, B, extreme magic extreme. Okay, and this one is magic extreme. This one is extreme A by extreme cell A, extreme cell B, by extreme A, extreme by A, advanced extreme, extreme A cell, extreme A cell, extreme A cell. Once you get the extreme point, remember this is H1 chart, but if we got there are many extremes, but it will be must re-entry on H4 time frame. So the market followed its direction on H4 as well, but we got confirmation through extreme and second time frames. But before going to that, you need to know about the extreme, that what kind of extreme is. Remember, there are 4 types: extreme A, B, magic extreme, and advanced extreme. Once you get the confirmation of extreme on second time frame, always look for the MLV points. Okay, so the mostly confusion was about that that how many types of extreme is, how it look like, and what's its function. So this is now, it's clear now. And if you have any question about extreme or other part of BBMA, write down in the comment section below. You can ask, and we will make a video lesson on that. Thank you for watching the video.